Hi, what up guys, it's Wills here.
Now radio buttons. Radio buttons are used to take survey, also in HTML, but they are used to pick one option. Unlike checkbox, you can only pick one option with radio box. Now here I'm going to ask a question which says, was this lesson helpful and resourceful? Now I'm going to put two options with radio buttons. Now one will say yes and one will say no. Now input type, the first one input type is going to be radio, so name is going to be yes or no. So the first value for the first option is going to be yes. So anybody that picks that is picking a yes. I'm going to do that for the second also for a no. So I'm going to click on the new paragraph, a break. So that's no. So new paragraph. So this is for the no. So I'm going to type input type, so that will be radio. So the name will be, now the name has to be the same because the name is what makes them identical. So you can't pick two at the same time. You either pick one or you pick the other. So yes or no. Now this second option is for no. Now the difference between checkbox and radio button is that checkbox has different name, but radio button must have the same name. So you can check one option either yes or no. So this is how you use release button in form. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. Click on the description, check on my lessons and playlist.